girl page, please. Yes, this is a journey. We'll be on it together. Right here I have on my iPad everything I need for my trip. It has a checklist, what to bring, what a reminder of what to bring, because some things I may forget, like my portable charger or my iPad itself. I'm very forgetful. So, and you're probably like, how are you going to forget your own iPad if the checklist is on there? I forget a lot. So, yeah, just want to say welcome to the vlog and hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, you're just gonna watch me while I pack real quick. But I will be watching TV, so you guys will be muted. It's a party in the USA.
Oh my gosh, how you know that song?
Yummy Yummy song is so cool.
Well, they got school bus.
Really have the confidence, but the more I vlog and stuff, the more confidence I have because I look at YouTube all the time. I can't wait till it's a good song.
Don't crash into us.
Look down, look down, look down, look down, look down.
Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down.
If you don't know this song, you're too young.
Almost there.
It got stuck. So we now about to go snow tubing. Do a 360. So we are a big group, and this is all I had to say to y'all for real. This is where we're going. So you will go up there, and then you will go down. You see them? Get to snow tube. All right, we're going. Morning, guys. Today is Saturday. Yesterday we went snow tubing. Soon as we got here, and I got a concussion for the first time. I was clipped up by two grown men. It's only supposed to be one person on each snow tube, but because it was getting late, staff was getting looser with their restrictions and stuff, and two grown men went at once. And it's only, if you go with two people, it's only supposed to be adult and a child. But it was two grown men, and they went as soon as I got off of my tube. They came down. So when you're getting off the tube, of course there are other snow tubing trails right beside you. So you get up and you walk across to go back up to get on the snow tubing again. And once I got up, I turned to my left. My sister was like, "Capri!" I turned to my left, and all I remember is waking up. Like, they woke me up. And when I fell, I couldn't see. Everything was black, but I can hear. I heard my head hit the ice. When they clipped me up, I did a 360 because I was walking, so they're low. So my feet flew in the air. I hit my head and my neck on ice. And I had a concussion. I blacked out. And then when I got home, I felt like I was just having an anxiety attack. My body felt so uneasy. I was in so much pain because my body hit the ice hard. When you're on the snow tubing, you're going all the way up the hill straight down. So all of that speed, imagine them going like this, and then this is me right here. I flip over. So they were going very, very fast. And today we're supposed to be going skiing. I'm supposed to have skiing lessons and then a roller coaster. But when I woke up, the back of my neck still hurts. I still have tension in my head, but Yesterday, my headache had a heartbeat that was like boom, 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 boom. I couldn't take it. I couldn't finish my food. I didn't eat since that morning because we was on the road all day. As soon as we got here, we got to hurry up and get dressed to go to snow tubing. And I'm sorry, I think someone's coming. Oh, it's just my sister. Y'all want to see her. It is what it is. So, it was just a long day. And today we're supposed to be going snow tubing. Skiing. Today we're supposed to go skiing and on a roller coaster. But because my neck still hurts, it's not smart for me to go on something that's going to make my neck go like, because then my neck is going to hurt some more. And then skiing, my body's probably prepared to ski, but I'm not prepared to ski. Like, my head, literally, I blacked out yesterday and had a concussion. The medics came, my pupils weren't dilated at first. And then the second medical person checked my pupils. And then once they were dilated, because at first they were glossy because I blacked out and everything. Then they asked me all those questions. What's your name? And who are you? You know, all those questions. Who's the president? How old are you? And I was fully aware by the second questionnaire. And then when I got home, I wasn't able to fall asleep. They won't allow me to go to sleep. And if you know me, I'm asleep by like 10. I'm very much not a night owl. So that just made me more angry because I was tired. My stomach was hurting because I didn't eat. I was nauseous. By the time I ate again, I didn't eat since 10 a.m. By the time I ate again, it was after I had a concussion. I didn't want to eat. I needed to take some medicine, so I ate half a banana. My body was just like, I'm over all of this. And so I had to stay up to 2 a.m. At first, they told me I had to stay up for 8 hours after the head injury. But I didn't feel like it. I couldn't do it. So they had to wake me up every hour last night just to check on me, make sure I still know my memory and stuff. To stay up, because I'm a night owl, I tried to read a book last night, and it took me 1 hour to read 3 pages because I kept forgetting while I'm reading. Oh, please ignore this. I don't know. I think it's something in my lash, but I don't know what it is. But I kept forgetting. This is my sister. I kept forgetting what I was reading. Before each line, I was forgetting it. I was rereading it. That's my bonus mom. She's coming to check on me. Everyone's checking on me. So that's the update. If you go skiing, just watch your surroundings. Watch who's around you when you get off the snow tubing. Because I was just so excited because I was racing with my family. And next thing I know, boom, I was on the ground. So I'll update you guys, and you guys go get a house tour. We have 2 hot tubs. You can see 1 or 2, and then we have a pool here. So I'll probably just enjoy all the aesthetics of the house. They have a movie room. This house has 18 bedrooms, 20 bathrooms, it's 3 levels, pool table, ping pong table. It's lit. So I'm just gonna enjoy all the aesthetics of this place. And I'll come back later after I eat breakfast. Bye. Hey guys, we're gonna do a final house tour. I did record a house tour, but I don't know if it's good enough, so I'm gonna redo this one and see how this comes out. All right, so this is when you come in the house.
Actually, I had a video there about TV birthday, but I was like, just have fun, some of the chairs and then me areas are a little wobbly. And I was like,
Does any of these doors open? Okay. view from the outside. We have 2 hot tubs. Nice view. And up those steps is a small deck from the top of the house with some chairs. This is my lovely bonus mom. Can you say hello to the camera? We're all cleaning up because we're about to leave very shortly. I had a lot of fun here, and we actually are planning to come back in the summertime for a week. We only stay for a weekend in the winter because people have job and school and everything. We have an indoor pool, bathroom. It's also a bathroom and room back there. It's very beautiful. We walk down these lovely steps. Let's have a little seating area here, washroom. This is another room where the kids slept at, and then it's a bathroom here. And then, yep. Movie room. So cool. They watch Coming to America down here. The second one, but I went to sleep at 9:30. I'll explain that later. This was my room. Yep. That's a walk-in closet. Sink. So it's also another room through here and then a hallway through here. That is the shower, toilet, another room. Yep. Let me turn this light off. Another room, another walk-in. There's another room, another bathroom, and then another closet. This house also has, hello Nia, say hi to the camera. Hello, hello. This house also has 18 bedrooms, 20 bathrooms. I did, I just went through all the rooms in the basement. We're doing a house cleanup check. So I'm here. Bathroom here. Kason, you called me?
You saw it?
Yes.
I mean, it takes us to the top of the house, but you just really see this landscape, like 3 minutes. But it's a smaller deck with 4 chairs.
There's a closet. Another room. Probably like, girl, why do you have that brace on? Oh, and this room comes with a balcony, I believe. It does. Comes out. You can go to the balcony on this side. I I know you like get into this bathroom, cause girl, I felt the same way. I'm like, get into this bathroom, okay? You have a sit-in. Absolutely beautiful. This is a dream bathroom. They just have a oh, there's the toilet back there. And that's actually the whole house. This ping pong table also turns into a pool table. And this is just a closet. So that is everything. And this will be the end. This should be the end of my Deep Creek vlog. We're about to pack up. Well, we are packing up and then we're leaving. Come out. Hello. Yes, absolutely beautiful. And I'm out.